Ramesh from grade 3rd. Hi, I am Hia. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. Yes, today we are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. So, first of all, on behalf of Saint Mary family, we wish you all a happy Independence Day. This is one of the precious day for every Indian because we got independence on this day. That's 15th August 1947. We, the St. Marians, are celebrating this 75th Independence Day on this virtual platform because of this pandemic. So, we welcome you all to the virtual celebration of 75th Independence Day of St. Mary Public School.
नमस्कार, मी ज्ञानेश्वर जाधव, पोलीस निरीक्षक, एरंडोल पोलीस स्टेशन. मी माझ्या अधिकारी आणि स्टाफ यांच्या वतीने सेंट मेरी स्कूल टोळी एरंडोल येथील सर्व विद्यार्थी, पालक, शिक्षकगण, व्यवस्थापकीय स्टाफ यांना भारताच्या 75व्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.
This is the day to celebrate, to pay tribute to our great freedom fighters who sacrificed their life in making India an independent nation. Let's pay homage to our great leaders through a dance performance.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो. वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो. ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
P75 Independence Day from Block Education Officer Panchayat Samiti Erandol to all the staff and dear students of St. Mary School Erandol. All known and unknown persons who contributed to India independence are gratefully remembered on this day. In order to give India independence, men, revolutionaries, knights fought against of the British without risking their lives, such as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Mahatma Phule, Vivekananda, Sukhdev, Rajguru, and etc. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, such as thousands of the revolutionaries like importance, inspiration in India freedom struggles. Due the valuable contribution our countries, India becomes to free from British slavery. The festival of three colors, sky decorated today, I go to all of them who created India. In the 75 years since independence of our country, India has made remarkable progress in various fields of additions. All the students have made valuable contributions of overcoming the irregularities in the education process due to the global epidemic of COVID-19 last academic year. As a result, invaluable changes have been made in field of education, and efforts are being made to create such a generations of developers. It is a matter of pride for all Indians that this has been made possible by the handwork and perseverance of Indian students from SIM schools level. And once again, Happy Indians Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and thank you.
India's Independence Day is not only a day of celebration, it is the day of remembrance and venerations toward freedom fighters, and the day to salute a great Indian army who dedicated their life to us and our nation. Now our friends are here with the rhythm of music to show Indians' love towards their motherland.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
Good morning everybody, respected principal and teachers. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today I would like to say few words about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Today is a national holiday for our country. Our country became independent on 15th August 1947. We are living happily now and we are enjoying this day because our freedom fighters had done very heroic deeds before we got independent. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. They sacrificed their life to our country. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should be proud to be Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
This day teaches us about the power of unity among Indians and how it can strengthen our nation.
It reminds us of the feeling of nationalism, patriotism towards our nation.
Hello again. It's time to rock the stage to give a big salute to an India.
अरे यार ये क्या बना के रखा है बीच में? हमेशा उसको भूखे जा रहा हूँ।
पापा ये लोग कौन है? और देखना इनकी वजह से लोगों को कितनी परेशानी हो रही है।
बेटा ये वो लोग हैं जिनके से थे कारगिल में।
Yes, we all love our India.
We all are Indians and it's our responsibility to love and protect our nation.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी हो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है यार बात हम चाल साज हम इश्क बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हम तो प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूने थे उसके तार से इंडिया वाले मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है चाहो तो हम तो आसमाना यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूने
should be vigorous as well as strong. The future becomes to us to bring freedom and opportunity to the common man, to the peasants and workers of India, to fight and end poverty, ignorance and disease, to build up a progressive, democratic and prosperous nation, and to create social, economics and political institutions which will ensure justice and fullness of life to every man and woman. Let's try together for better India. Once again, wish you all a happy Indian Day.
Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts, memory in our souls. Love for nation is in our blood. Independence came to India after long struggles and sacrifices. Let us value it and promise to make our nation a prosperous and a healthy one. We should not let anything divide the idea of India. Let's all salute together our nation on the 75th Independence Day. Warm wishes of Independence Day to you all. Jai Hind.
शुरू कुछ शुरू तो कर जहाँ भी है तू वहीं से यारा कोई कहानी शुरू तो कर रग रग में जोश की बूंदे बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में जोश में चला चल चला चला अब रुकेंगे ना हम डर मिटा चला सर उठा चला अब झुके
Hello friends, a very good morning to all.
Hello friends, my name is Savitribai Jyotiba Phule. I was born in 3 January 1831. Today I play role of Bhagat Singh.
मला साने तुझी म्हणतात. मी पांडुरंग साने. राहतो एक चिदान.
मैं हूँ झांसी की रानी रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. Hello everyone, today I became Bal Gangadhar Tilak. I am Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
नमस्कार, मी बाल गंगाधर टिळक. मला लोकमान्य बाळासाहेब जयंती